Hey there, Stan here from Let's Clean It pressure washing, and I just picked up this Whisper Wash 36 Maxima, and I got this bar and the single bar with it. This has a 25 degree 2 gallons per minute each nozzle, so basically a 8 gallon per minute, 10 gallon per minute, and probably 8. You could probably use this with a 6 and get away with it, I believe. I also have this bar right here. It's the single bar, and it's got some 40 degree tips in it, and actually I can't remember. Let me see if I can zoom in. I don't know, but it's a big boy to use it with. But I am going to put this bar on with some 40 degree tips that I can use with these pressure washers and see how it works. But right now I'm going to start it up and just see what the flow is with this particular unit right here. It's not going to be much, and you probably can't clean nothing with it, but it's just fun to try. Alright, got the pressure washer running. Got about 100 feet of hose, 250-foot hoses, and we're going to see what it does. But it works. I'm going to change the bar out, and then we'll see what happens. Alright, I just changed the swivel. I got 40 degree tip, 2.5 on there. Let's see what it does. Yeah, that's much better. Let's try it out on the sidewalk. Okay, I got it all hooked up. Let's see what she does. Need to pull my hose more so I have some more length. Take a look at it, see what's going on here. I mean, the sidewalk was already pretty clean, so it's kind of hard to tell anything, but it's definitely adding pressure. It's a little bit too big for this sidewalk. I mean, the wheels are slipping off, so I'd have to have a patio or something to try it on, but it's working. All right, I end up putting this gauge on just so you can see what we're right around 2,700 psi. Definitely get it done in one swoop, but the wheels tend to come off the sidewalk. All right, we're gonna give Respucia a shot here. See what she does. So we hooked up Norbit, and we're going over exactly right where Respucia went. So it shows there's not enough GPM from this one pressure washer to handle Respucia. She needs more GPM.